Follow the steps on how to make a background like this using Illustrator. Let's start with a new document. Create a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Fill it with black and no stroke. Activate the polygon tool, then adjust the color and thickness of the stroke. Create a hexagonal polygon. Make sure to set the alignment stroke to center. Go to Properties and set the angle to 30 degrees. Next, go to Object, Pattern and Make. Change the tile type to hex by row. Activate the Pattern Tile tool and adjust the point position. After that, click Done. This can be deleted. Next, open the layer. Click and drag here to duplicate. Selection, then replace the fill with the pattern that has been created. Right-click and open Scale Options. Uncheck this and set the Uniform Percentage Scale. Select this layer and duplicate it again. Replace with Gradient Color. Then set the opacity to multiply. Open Gradient and set it like this. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.